Hi everybody! Welcome back with Miss Annie, and today I'm going to teach English for you. It is about simple past tense, especially about the regular and also the irregular verbs. So in this video, you are going to learn further about what is simple past tense, and then when do you have to use it, and also what are the difference between the regular and also the irregular verbs. Okay, what is simple past tense? The simple past is used to talk about past actions that happen either at a specific time. But what are the adverbs of time that we can use? Okay, here it is. Here are some examples of the adverbs of time that you can use when you are talking about something that already happened in the past, like yesterday, last week, last month, 1 week ago, 2 months ago, 3 years ago, and many more. You can see from the examples here. Okay? And for your information, there are two types of verbs that we can use in the simple past tense. Here are the English verb forms. They are the regular verbs and also the irregular verbs. But what are the difference between the regular and also the irregular verbs? Okay, let's check them out. Alright, first I'm going to explain to you what is regular verbs. So the regular verbs are verbs that form the past tense by adding the letter D, ed, or ied at the end. Alright, so in English, when we are making a sentences, you have the spelling rules. And now we are focusing on the simple past, which is the regular verbs. The first is the base form plus ed. But what is base form? So, base form is a word or something that we usually use in our daily life, like eat, drink, watch, play, and many more. So the first, we are going to talk about the base form plus ed. The examples is walk becomes walked, play becomes played. That is the first. And the second, the verbs ending in e plus d. So some words are end with e. So when you see a word that the last letter is E, you just need to put D on the back. For examples, like, you see the like, and then the letter at the end is E, so you just need to put D at the back. Like becomes liked. Move becomes moved. Easy? So just remember the form, the rules. Okay? And the third, verbs ending in a consonant plus y, you have to change the y into I and then you add ed. For example, carry. The letter at the back is y, but before y there is r. R is a consonant, so you have to erase the y, you change with the I, and then you add ed. Okay, the yellow one, carry, shows the consonant, and then y, you change with I, the blue one, and after that you add ed. So carry becomes carried. Study becomes studied. I hope you understand the third one. And the fourth, some verbs ending in a single consonant plus the second last letter is a vowel plus double the last letter and ed. For example, like this, plan. Plan at the end is consonant, right? And then before the consonant, there is A, plan, the blue one. You see? A is a vowel. N is consonant. So before the consonant, there is vowel. So you have to double the N. So it becomes plant. Plant. And then stop becomes stopped. Stop becomes stopped. All right. Now we are going to learn the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow a pattern like the regular verbs do, so we must memorize them. And the table below contains the most common irregular verbs: base, past, and past participle form. So the base form is the word that we use in our daily life, and the past simple is the one that we are talking right now about the things that already happened in the past. And the past participle is also the same like past simple. Okay, but you are going to learn this not in grade 3, but maybe in other grade. Okay, so here are the example. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was over, been. Blow, blew, blown. Built, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. So that are the examples of the irregular verbs. You really have to memorize all the English verbs. Okay? Okay, everybody. How do we form the simple past tense in the sentences? Okay, let's start with the first. It is about the positive sentence. So first you have to use the subject like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and many more, and also the verb, and the verb should be in past tense. Okay? You cannot use the word of base form. Okay? Plus the object and plus the adverb of time. And the negative sentence, it will be like this. You should put subject plus did not plus verb. This is different, yeah. For the verb, you cannot use the past tense word, but you have to use the base form. And I think it's very easy for you because every day in your daily life, you always use the base form verb. Okay? And then add object and also add the adverb of time. That's for the negative. And how about the interrogative sentence? Don't forget to put did at first and then plus the subject plus the verb. Same like the negative. You must use the base form word, okay? Plus object and also the adverb of time. Well, if you already know the rules, now let's see the examples. I'm going to start showing you the regular verb sentences. From the positive sentence, they watched cartoon last night. The verb using past tense form. And the negative. They did not watch cartoon last night. You see the difference between the positive and the negative verb? The positive use the past tense verb, and then for the negative, you use the base form. You cannot use ed. Okay? And the interrogative sentence, did they watch cartoon last night? Same like the negative word. Okay? Watch, watch. And the irregular verbs. For the positive sentence, he ate burgers yesterday. Ate is the past tense of eat. Okay, that's why in the negative sentence you can see here, he did not eat burgers yesterday. Base form. Eat is base form, yeah? And the interrogative sentence, did he eat burgers yesterday? Same like the negative. Eat, only the positive using the past tense word, ate. Alright, everybody, please keep in mind all information about the simple past tense, okay? I know it is difficult for you maybe at first to differentiate between the regular and also the irregular verbs, but whenever you always practice this at home, at school, or anywhere you are, it will be easier for you, okay? Please be sure to like this video, subscribe this channel as well, okay? See you in the next video.